Francisco. This is our Airbnb for 5 days. I'm so excited. We have some instructions here. We got a little pull-out table, TV. This pulls out into, as you can see, I guess an eating chair. There's a sleeping bag here. Another picture, peacock. There, I think that's just like a storage closet. Here's the bedroom. And then these doors have like combinations, passwords, so, you know, we won't get locked in. No, it's really actually not for us to get locked in. It's to keep people out, actually. Then we have here, we have a closet on one of them. Then we have extra pillows there. Hang some stuff up in here. I never hang my stuff up or put them in drawers on vacation, so yeah. Then we have some linen, some wash or pillowcases, some extra blankets down there. Oh, then over here we have towels in there. More towels there. Then let me take you to the bathroom. So we have a bathroom so this place has 2 bathrooms. So this is the one that's in the bedroom. Don't excuse my makeup. I have a sink, automatic sink actually. It's pretty cool. We don't have these in New York. There's me. Let's go back. Watch your step. I have a feeling that I'm gonna fall from that a lot. So then I'm gonna take you guys over here. This is the hallway where we first came in. And this is the, I guess this would be called the guest bathroom. But this is also a full bathroom. Most times they have half bathrooms, but this is another full one. Again, pretty cool. See some soaps and tissues and Lysols and stuff down there. We have another shower. The shower's definitely bigger than the other one. We have some shampoo, body wash. I'm assuming that's conditioner there. And yeah. So let's go back into the hallway. So this place is a 2-family house. I'm assuming. So this is like a mini kitchen. I guess the full kitchen is upstairs in the owner's space or whatever. So we don't have a stove, but we have a sink here, a water boiler, I guess, here. Don't know what just happened. There's a fridge, microwave, coffee maker, and yeah, whatever that is. And then we have washer and dryer here. It's pretty dope. Then I'm gonna come outside. Outside we have this lovely backyard view of San Francisco. The city is gorgeous out. As you can see, there's a sitting area. There's another sitting area down there. I know there's a hammock and another sitting area. I refuse to walk through that dirt in these socks, okay? This is how the house looks on the outside. This is the back of the house. So gorgeous. This is amazing. Thank God, you know, that I'm able to experience this.